Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an account on make.com. So you actually go to the website make.com/English, I have here so /en, and it's absolutely free in the beginning. So let me actually create an account for you guys. Get started for free, and here you do register. You can do it through name and email and password. And your hosting region, you have EU and US, and your country where you're from. I'm from the Netherlands. And you can also log in through Facebook and through, I don't know actually what this is again. Oh, GitHub, my bad. And through Gmail. And that's actually really easy how to do it. So let's log in right now. I already have an account, but this is actually your main point. If you make an account, you come up to this page, and from here on you work. So that's it. Thank you for watching.